200 heavy oil tankers roll across the desert. The earth remembers every pound. 6-foot tires vibrate the ground like a heartbeat of American industry.
Robotic drones patrol the fences at 100 miles per hour. No rest. Laser scanners check every truck. Access granted, one by one.
300-foot towers. Blue and orange flames cutting the night sky.
A giant hydraulic valve, slowly opening. Pressure builds behind steel. Underground pipelines. A steel snake miles beneath your feet.
High-tech sensors scan every drop. Density, purity, readiness.
Target, 18 million barrels. The gauge blinks. America is ready.
10,000 floodlights. Full power. Night becomes day. The refinery awakens.
A 10-ton elevator shoots deep into the earth. Extraction level approaching.
The doors open. An underground industrial city. Giant pumps, row after row.
Diamond-tipped drill, biting through solid rock. Deeper. Deeper. Black gold. 5,000 psi, moving like liquid thunder through steel veins.
Thermal scan. Oil pockets glowing red. Target locked. Drill confirmed.
6-foot steel valves spin. Mechanical clanking echoes through the underground. Robotic arm. Sample collected. Sealed. Sent up through pneumatic tubes.
Tactical engineers, heavy wrenches, sensors, moving fast underground.
Deep bass siren. The floor vibrates. Something big is coming.
Camera rides the oil like a bullet train through the pipe. Destination, refining. Dark tactical room. 50 experts. Giant screens. The brain of the refinery. Head engineer. Digital map. Refining zones set to active mode. One by one.
Commander, the final button. Execute mission 18 million. No hesitation.
Engineers enter access codes in sync. The plant shifts to high performance. Giant 3D hologram. The refinery's skeleton. Oil flows like glowing veins.
Pressure gauges spin. Critical zone. The system is reaching its limit.
Engineers sprint to the machines. Welding sparks fly. No time to waste. Industrial mask. Massive boiler. Force lock engaged. Pressure contained. System optimized. Red lights turn blue. The refinery is ready.
Chief engineer gives the go signal. Behind him, giant compressors roar to life.
Go!
100 hydraulic pumps. Moving up and down. A mechanical army in the desert. Giant storage tank doors open. Darkness inside. Thousands of gallons pour in. Technical supervisor swipes. Flow authorized. A green pulse spreads through the plant. Extreme steam pressure releases. Safety valves hiss like warning whispers.
Tanker convoy leaves the refinery. Energy guard flags flying. Destination, America.
From above, a steel snake slithering through the desert. 8 million barrels moving.
Armed vehicles patrol the pipeline. 80 miles per hour. No one gets close.
Underground. The pipe glows. Smoke rises from metal pushed to its limit.
Digital counter climbs. 10 million, 12, 14. 18 is close.
Main pipeline valve locks. The final siren echoes. Next stop, the furnaces.
Furnace zone. 100 workers in fireproof suits. Positions locked.
Industrial lifts race up and down the towers. Workers check every gauge.
Technical crews tighten every bolt. Magnetic wrenches. Heavy tools. No mistakes.
Ignition sequence start. Clear the blast zone.
Inside the furnace, pilot flame ignites. Blue glow. Heat begins to build.
Thermal camera. 400 degrees Celsius. The tower is reaching ignition point.
Robotic arm. Chemical catalyst injects. Booster strike. Reaction begins. 3D animation. Crude oil molecules break apart. Gasoline is born.
Deep bass vibration. The plant shakes. Something massive is about to ignite.
Ultra loud siren. 10 miles of warning. The launch anthem begins. Countdown screen. 5, 4, 3. Fingers on buttons. Chief engineer. Master ignition lever. Pulled. No turning back.
Flare stacks ignite. Flames shoot like missiles into the night sky.
Crude oil hits boiling point. Bubbling. Vaporizing. Becoming something new.
Victory salute. Process stable. 18 million barrels. One team.
High-speed camera. Vapor hits each floor. Separating. Purifying. Rising.
Startup complete. We are now in refining mode.
Confirmed. The indicators are all green across the board.
Flames. Gears. Steam. Workers. The refinery is alive.
Every light. Full brightness. Night becomes day. The refinery burns bright.
Pipe pressure crosses the red line. Needles vibrate. Critical zone.
Computer screen flashes red.
Critical pressure. Engineers hit manual override.
Cooling towers activate. Massive water spray hits the pipes. Steam explodes.
Engineers turn manual wheels. Full force. Metal grinds. Pressure releases.
Inside the tower, vapor becomes gasoline at the top, diesel at the bottom.
Sensors ping. Purity 99.9%. Green light.
Smoke and flares paint the night. An industrial victory scene.
Underground sensors. Stable. The Earth stops shaking. Process locked.
Technical animation. Black gold becomes golden gasoline. Refining complete.
500 acres. One machine. Perfect rhythm. America refined. 10 pipes. Gasoline. Diesel. Jet fuel. Shooting to final storage.
Each pipe has a target. Global airlines. Logistics. Power grid.
Storage tanks fill to the top. Gauges hit full. America's reserves are ready.
USA Energy Map turns neon green. Every region. Mission success.
Engineers slap the table.
18 million achieved! Victory! Victory!
Is the route clear for the morning deliveries?
Yes, the new update optimized the sequence. We should be ahead of schedule.
Giant cargo ships connect at the port. Fuel flows for the world.
100 train wagons. Power horn blasts. Rolling across America.
Gold letters. Energy dominance complete. Mission accomplished.
We need to adjust the parameters right here.
All right, and ensure the pressure levels are stable before we move on.
Night falls on the refinery. A glowing city of steel and fire.
Tired but proud. Helmers off. They made 18 million happen. Mission accomplished. The tag hangs on the main switch. 18 million done.
Zoom out. The refinery is one part of a city, one part of America.
18 million barrels. A record. The chart doesn't lie.
Workers look up. Victory signs.
18 million barrels. One team.
Made in USA. Engraved in steel. A promise kept.
2 flags. 1 refinery. American energy, American pride.
From above, a burning diamond. 18 million barrels of American power. Production uncovered. How the USA refines 18 million barrels every single day.